Hi everybody, Tyler Tapborn with the Furniture Mall of Kansas. We're here at the Designer Showhouse 2023 that is benefiting Child Care Aware. Let's take a look. All right, I have one of three rooms and here is the first one to show you. It is the primary on the first floor. You can see this amazing, gorgeous bed with an upholstered headboard. Our beautiful bedding lineup here, complemented by this amazing artwork, which does come in different sizes, so depending upon your wall, we can cater that for you. And some more accent pieces over here. And I just want to point out the power of a rug to tie everything all together is very impactful. And then of course, just to get your last minute finishing touches with a vase and some greenery just to add a little bit of life. It goes a long ways in a space. So stop by the Furniture Mall and we can create an amazing look like this for you. All right guys, space number 2, my personal favorite. Let's go check it out. Hey, we're here. Look at this awesome space, guys. So this is my personal favorite. The look I went for was a modern cyberpunk. So modern coming with the clean line furniture, very tailored look, and that cyberpunk from all of this awesome vibrant color. So with the color, it just creates, a happy, warm, welcoming space where you want to hang out for hours, with pops of color and the flowers here. And then my personal favorite, guys, look at this picture. Neon, cyberpunk, like how cool, how inspiring. So super fun, awesome, love it. Then over here you have your theater room, guys. So we have a soundstage sectional, which has Bluetooth speakers built in. It connects to the TV, so literally have the surround sound feel in there. And your pops of color, and these awesome bean bags by our Austin couch potatoes. Like, oh, how awesome. Hey, space number 3. So here we have like a mother-in-law suite, secondary, primary, if you will. So I picked out this amazing Ashley bedroom set, the upholstered headboard, these nice wood nightstands, and this awesome bedding. So the power of layers is what I like to stress, is, adding more pillows and just making it look more grand and warm feeling. It just really helps that look and to get you, that big grand feeling that you may be looking for. So over here in this little kind of weird corner, I had this idea of taking a rug and putting the rug on the wall as like an accent feature. So really easy to put up and really easy to take down if you're, not feeling it anymore, if you want to do something different. And you can also layer a picture on there. Over here, I have a Jackson Pollock mimicked look. It's called Organized Chaos. So it's really fun to bring like an inspiration of his at an affordable price into my design look. And I just absolutely love this picture. And then in here you have this awesome large closet space. And just to show how large, I put this chest of drawers and a storage ottoman to really showcase, you don't have to necessarily have, your stationary furniture in the living space. You can also cater to it in the closet. All right, guys, that's it. I've showed you my 3 spaces. I don't have anything more for you. If you're looking for a fun and exciting look, stop by and see us at the Furniture Mall of Kansas. We'd be happy to help you. Thanks for joining in.